I prepare for the worst scenario in case I drop it on the water. I have it connect to the floating container right here for emergency. All right, this is the DJI Action 6 testing in the lake. A very beautiful lake today and not too cold, so I take chance to come here and make some video. The sun again. Okay, see how it goes. I record a video and I forgot. I step one step back. I go the water too deep. Now all my boots here fill of water. Oh man! Look at that. Well, it's warm now. It doesn't matter. Woo! Water. Well, it's warm now, no need boots anymore. Can get into the water. Wow. Whew, not too bad, water, not too cold. And all right, so I haven't caught any fish yet. Busy on recording, try to get some video to show you guys. All right. So when the weather a little warmer, I like to catch the live bait for fishing. It's much easier and relaxing just watching the bubble to go down, and it's more fun than reeling the crankbait. It's not relaxing. But right now, it looks like there's no bait for me to catch yet. Maybe another week or so, maybe I can catch some bait. In mid-March or April, a lot of bait coming, so I can cast snake on it. And with this kayak, a little bit hard for cast snake. It has to be inflatable boat. You can chasing the bait, and with the 10-foot cast net, you can cut. I can cut a strapper. So today only catch one, which is the bass. Let me go to different spot. So it's so nice today. You know, when you're not working, you don't want to stay in the house and in front of TV. Get out here and do some activity. Fishing, kayaking, boating, whatever you like. Don't stay home, all right? Invest some money on outdoor stuff, and it lasts for a long time, like this kayak and outboard motor. You always can sell it. You always can sell it back if you don't want it come anymore. But I like the lake a lot. I cannot just stay home. And nice weather, I just cannot stay home. I had to come at the lake. So beautiful. Get lost here. Meditation. Thinking about peace, happiness, what to do in life, all those things. Alright guys, let me show you something here. Okay, what I got today. It's gonna be my dinner right here. Wow, this heavy. It's already tired my hand. So I've been filming with this feature called Rock 30. Now I'm gonna change it to horizontal lock, so that I can position, different position on the motor and the kayak, so it won't tilt unbalanced. Okay. Testing it with my first action cam, DJI Osmo